So let's see the string acceptance for the previous sum which we have did. Let's see the string acceptance. So the string is BDC. Okay, now in stack, always it starts with the dollar symbol, and in input it ends with the dollar symbol. Okay, in stack, first, what is the first state? We have 0, right? That you need to write here. Okay, in the string you need to write here. Then C, 0 and B. What? 0 and B is S3, means shift 3. So shift 3. When we are performing shift operation, then shift 1 this element to here, and 3 also we need to shift. So 3. Okay, now 3 and B will be removed from here, right? So we'll get D. 3 and D. What do we have? 3 D. Then shift 7. We need to shift the 7. So shift 7. While you're performing shift, you need to pop the element from the input and push it here. And 7 also same. Shift here. Now D will be removing C. 7 and C. 7 C. Reduce 5. Means reduce. In fifth, what is the expression in fifth? A produces D, right? So how to calculate this? When you get reduce, check the RHS. The length of RHS is 1. Multiply it with 2. So you get 2. So 2 elements will be popped out. 2 elements will be popped out. So 2 elements. 7 D will be popping out. 2 elements, right? So this will be popping out. Then what will be having remaining? We'll be having this up to here, we'll be having remaining. And this element will push here. Okay? A. After that. Now A and C. There are no A and C. So you need to do this. A 6. We have A and 6. Do we have? So we need to do 3A. 3 and here how much? 6. So write 6 here. 6 and C. Next. 6 and C. 6 C. Shift 9. So you need to pop this element here and 9 here. Okay. Now 9 and dollar. 9 and dollar what? R2. So what is the second one? S produces BAC. BAC. Okay. Length of the stack 3 into 2. 6. Total 6 elements will be popped. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These elements will be popped. So remaining $0. Okay. 0 and dollar. 0 and dollar what? 0 and dollar. After popping 6 element, you need to write this here. Okay. So S and dollar do we have? We don't have S and dollar. Okay. But we have 0 and S. You need to do like this. 0 and S. 1, right? Right, 1 here. 1 and dollar. Accept. So our string is accepted and the sum is correct.